Hello, Showtimers! Today we're unboxing a Hot Wheels pin set. Yay! Here is a surf and turf. Here is a bat and a bone shaker, and the bone shaker is chased by a bat. And here's a Hot Wheels on Fire logo. And watch out, bone shaker! And surf and turf was running away from it. And the back is like this. And Brian, thanks for this gift. Bye bye.